cone and pyramid, miscellaneous problems. So we'll take up problems on cone and pyramids. A square pyramid has a side length of 8 meters and a height of 10 meters. Determine the following. So this one's a square pyramid, this side, square pyramid, 8 meters inside. The height here from this point to that point is 10 meters. So determine the following. Letter A is a slant height. So the slant height, so your solution would be this one. So letter A, slant height. Slant height. So see the figure there. Oh. You have 10 is slant height and 4. So you have that one. From the figure is square equals to 10 square plus 4 square. For your is there equivalent to 10.8 meters. For letter B, base perimeter. So you have that one, base perimeter. Base perimeter equals to, of course, 8 times 4. Since you have the 4 sides and you have that one, the 8 meters. So you have that one, 32 meters. For the letter C, of course, the edge. So the edge refers to is, 4, and E. That one is E. So you have that one, your E equivalent to square root of is, your is 10.8, 10.8 square plus 4 square. So your edge equivalent to 11.5 meters. For the letter D, base area. So area equals to 8 square equals to the 64 meters square. So your letter E there is volume. Volume equals to 1/3 BH. Volume equals to 1/3 BH equals to 1/3 times 64 times your height is 10. So you have that one, 213.0 cubic meters. So the letter F is the lateral area. Lateral area. LA equals to 1/2 perimeter times L equals to 1/2. Perimeter is 32. Your L is 10.8. Equivalent to 172.8 meters. The last question, letter G. Total surface area. Total surface area. T is E equal to the sum of 172.8 plus 64 So equivalent to 236.8 meters squared. So a pentagonal pyramid has a side of 6 meters, an altitude of 10 meters. Determine the central angle. This one, central angle theta. You have 10 meters and side 6 meters. Apothem is this one, distance from the point, the center of the pyramid, up to the midpoint of the side of the pyramid. So this one is, apothem is r. Then you have that one is 3. So this one is actually the theta here divided by 2. So this one. And of course, height here is 10. This one is r. This one, of course, the L. L means the slant height. So we'll try to solve this one. So solution. Letter A, central angle. Central angle equivalent to 360 all over in equals to the 5 sides. So you have this one equivalent to 72 degrees. For the letter B here, apothem R. Apothem your R. So tangent 36. So 72 divided by 2 is 36 because only one half is 1. 36, tangent 36 equals to 3 all over R. So your R equivalent to 4.13 meters. So yung letter C naman, slant height. Slant height. Your L equivalent to have that one 10L. So you have that one square root of 10 square plus 4.13 square. L equivalent to 10.82 meters. So yung letter D, base area. Base area equivalent to 5 sides. You have that one, 5 sides times area of one side. Area of one side equals to 1/2. That one is A. You have that one is 6 times 4.13. So your base area equals to 61.95 meters square. So for letter A, volume, V equals to 1/3 BH equals to 1/3 times 61.95 times 10 equivalent to 206.5 cubic meters. Yung letter F naman is perimeter per base. So perimeter equivalent to 6 times 5 equals to 30 meters. C is lateral area. Equals to 1/2 PL. 1/2 times 30 times 10.82 equivalent to 162.3 meter cube. So yung H total area equals to 1 162.3 plus 61.95 equivalent to 224.2 meter square. A real hat is in the form pyramidal cone with radius 12. So with radius 12, that one, 12, and height is 20 meters. So determine the slant height. So this L determines slant height, base area, this one, volume, total volume, lateral surface, this side, and total surface area. So your solution would be, right, solution, slant height L is equivalent to square root of 12 square plus 20 square equivalent to 23.32 meter. So the letter B, base area equivalent to pi r square. So pi times 12 square equivalent to 452.16 meters squared. Letter C is volume, 1/3 BH equals to 1/3 times 452.16 times 20 equivalent to 3014.4 cubic meters. Letter D, lateral area LA equals to 1/2 CL equals to 1/2 times 2 pi times 12 times 23.32 equivalent to 879.14 meters squared. So the last one is a total surface area equals to 879.14 plus 452.16 is equivalent to 1331.35. Right, to number 4, octagonal pyramid. So octagonal pyramid, octagon means 8 sides. So this one is an octagonal 8 sides pyramid. This one is 3, so 1/2, so 6 meters each side, 24 meters high. So find the following. So your solution is letter A, central angle. So angle equals to 360 all over 8, 360 all over 8 equivalent to 45 degrees. For the letter B, apotheme, equals to, take note of putting the figure there, you have that one, tangent 25, 22.5 equals to 3 all over r. So your r equals to 3 all over tangent 22.5 equivalent to 7.242 meters. For the letter B. Letter C, slant height. L is equivalent to square root of 24 square plus 7.24 square equivalent to 25.06 meters. For letter D, lateral edge length equals to square root of 3 square plus 25.06 square. So one is equivalent to 25.25 meters. For letter E, base perimeter. Base perimeter equals to 6 times 8 equals to 48 meter. For letter F, lateral surface. LA is equals to 1/2 PL equals to 1/2. Perimeter is 8 times 6, so 8 times 6. Yung L naman is 25.06. So equivalent to 601.44 meters squared. So letter G is base surface area. Equivalent to 8 times 1/2 times 6 times 7.242 equivalent to 173.81 meters. So H is the total surface area. Or T is A, equivalent to 173.81 plus 601.44 equivalent to 775.25 meters squared. Then you have that one letter I. So letter I is equals to volume. Volume V equals to 1/3 BH equals to 1/3 173.81 173.81 times the height is 24 in the problem. So your volume equals to 3090.48 cubic meters. So your solution R equals to square root of 15 square minus 5 square. See the diagram that is sketched. So your R they are equivalent to 14.14 meters. You have that sine 45 is equals to x all over R. So your x equals to 14.14 sine 45 equivalent to 10 meters. But you have cosine 45 equals to h all over R. Your h equals to 14.14 cosine 45 equals to 10 in base area equals to 1/2 BH times 2 times 4. So your base area equals to 1/2 times 10 times 10 times 8 equivalent to 400 feet square. So your volume equals to 1/3 BH equals to 1/3. Your base is 400 times 20 equivalent to 2666.67 feet cube. So the unit is feet cube. So this one should be in feet. So this one should be in feet.